Today, the security of our homes and residences is very essential, and the security systems like cameras played a major role in this work. So, hello and welcome. Today, we will talk about fully automatic and 360-degree rotating camera is with C6CN. So, let's get started. Is with C6CN. Watch over your entire space with C6CN's 360 degree field of view. A full HD Wi-Fi pen tilt camera you can always count on. With full HD 108 pixel clarity, smart tracking, privacy shutter, two-way talk, support micro SD card up to 256 GB and supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Zero blind spots. Keep tabs on every corner with just one C6CN camera. Its expansive 360-degree field of view ensures full coverage so you don't miss a thing. Its vertical rotation is up 105 degree and down 5 degree. Its horizontal rotation is 340 degree. Smart and neat. When it detects a moving object, the C6CN is smart enough to automatically track its motion while alerting you with an image in real time. So you may feel relaxed while sleeping without any cause. What a bit more privacy. With one tap of EasyViz app on your mobile device, the truthfully designed privacy shutter allows you to turn the lens off whenever, wherever. Simple and flexible installation. Install the C6CN camera the way suits your home best. Use the image flipping feature and feel free to place it on a shelf or fix it to your wall or ceiling. Use the included screw in mounting with the camera for making maximum adaptability. Always connected. Connect the C6CN camera to your home network, either wired or wirelessly. Enjoy a stable connection without dropping out. It contains a Ethernet port on its backside, two speakers on left side and right side on the base. Security at your fingertips. With the EasyViz app and EasyViz Studio software, you can capture, save, protect, and share what's valuable to you. It contains live view, video history, audio reception, up to BX zoom, instant alerts, smart home enabled. With this app, you can totally able to control your cameras, your capturism, and your videos with your fingertips. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel Secure Guru and press the bell icon for more details. Or visit to our website stechnology.co.in or contact on this number for placing an order or details. Security is must in our life. So be secured, be assured. Thank you for watching.